Shakey's V-League TV coverage on Monday, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. That's a good game. UST against Adamson. Ganda yan. And Rina Villamor will keep us posted on the game so far.
Yes, that's 4 words: focus, confident, resilient, and control under pressure. Those are the 4 words that the Avellano team must exhibit in today's game. Now, as for them, what's important for them is to come out strong and positive, because being positive is a discipline according to Coach Obet. And the more challenging the game gets, the more positive that they should be. As for Coach Obet, he just wants to see the leadership of Ging Balse and Nene Bautista coming into this game to keep an eye on Dakis and Valdez. Meanwhile, for the Lady Eagles, Coach Roger is just extremely excited coming into this game, considering that it's been 2 weeks that they have not seen action. Kumbaga, 2 weeks na nilang inaantay para makapaglaro dito sa quarterfinals. What's only important for Coach Roger is to play their usual game and to play with pride. Back to you guys.
I can't wait, and my dream for you in your career, Rina Villamor, is to be the reporter of the Binibining Pilipinas pageant. And she will say, beauty, poise, and confidence. These are the words that the next Binibining Pilipinas must have. Diba? Ayos, kompleto.
Pwede.
Dakis, off the block. Si Rina nag-report, kompleto yan. Pati patela.
Twisting of the muscles, abdominal.
Wala. Masakit yung tiyan, in other words.
Lumalabas ang pagkapiti.
Ang pagkapiti, physical trainer. At may karapatan, ano ha? In the meantime, we go with the serve. Medyo nagkagulo Arellano doon, ha? Miss-hit, Dakis.
Oh, Dakis saving that one. That was very hard.
Tikar twisted something on that. Yep, she's limping just a tad. Yeah. You know, players try to hide it sometimes, but you know, when you're on the coverage team, you can tell eh.
Iba yung lakad.
Iba yung lakad. And this game can be brutal on the knees. Lower back. Dakis. Balse. Balse gives a free ball. But Nongon. Hello. Hello. Hala. Ganito tayo buong hapon. Dakis the gate.
Oh. You knew that was coming. Rachel and Dakis with that hammering open hit.
Here, look at this giddy-up horsey move of hers.
Alam mo na eh. From the set.
She's like a 747 about to take off.
And that's how she wants it eh. Yung medyo malayo-layo na konti lang sa net. Kasi mataas siya tumalon eh. She has long arms.
And that's foiled at the net. Ateneo now has taken the upper hand, 11-9. Axel is our official outfit here in the Shakey's V-League. Coach Gorayev trying to reposition his players on the floor. Tikar. Salamagos, her shot taken care of.
Rachel and Dakis once again using the path of Tikar to get that point.
She took Gorayev out of his agony. Kasi sumisigaw na 6 touches si Roger eh.
6? Grabe naman, doble.
Galing sa 9-man volleyball yan eh.
Nababagalata.
12-9.
Mais.
Mais. Oh, hey, I think Arellano needs a timeout. Arellano just falling apart here.
Kanilang pagsasabi, kita yan ito eh, dadaanan ng bola yan. Ang spiker malaki, hindi magta-trample yan. Alam niya kaya-kaya niya ito. So, gagawin mo mo sumiksik dito. Dinipensa ka rito. Yung service ng kalaban, binabalatan tayo ng floor ball. Hindi pwede mag-adjust tayo. Kung nakatawi ka, saka na tayo mag-adjust. Patawin mo lang dapat. Pagin mo lang ng bola, nakakadjust tayo kagad.
Sunday schedule here at the arena, May 5, 2013. This is the best time to come to the arena and enjoy the Shakey's V-League.
Sunday volleyball picnic.
Grabe.
Ganda ng laro, oh.
UST. And Adamson won earlier today in 4 sets against San Sebastian. Here's Tikar's set. Bautista slaps it against the block.
Dito naman, si Nene Bautista, pinadaan naman kay Jem Ferrer.
That's the right thing to do, the
Yes.
smaller blocker, no?
That's why it's always an advantage when you have a tall setter.
Eliza, wala pang bola si Eliza, no? In the meantime, good defensive line by Arellano. They've obtained the last 2 points. 11-13 is the count here.
Plus, that was too much risk given by Jem Ferrer. Nilapit niya sa net, nandun si Ging Balse sa kabila.
Oo.
Kay Ariel Patnongon yung dapat na quick hit.
Good observation. In the meantime, here comes the familiar Doc
Oh.
stab, but she went lefty that time.
Kahit kaliwa, basta on the right spot. Rachel Andak is still milking that area.
You know, there's this nice eye contact between Ferrer and Dakis. As I remind you for all of you about Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Alam mo, years na magkakalaban eh. Picar. Bautista. It's Hepuela. Ravena.
Uy, nasali tayo doon ah.
Hepuela to Ravena. Tosses it.
Talagang nangyari yan, ha?
Ah.
Naman naging coach ko to si Mac.
Oh. Of course, the beautiful voice of the Shakey's B-League, keeping everybody posted. Balse long. Ay, Ging. Ay, Ging.
Alam niya na kagad because there was no spin on that hit. Alam mo nang it was going to float out.
Tug. Di ba? Hindi plak eh. In the meantime, 15-12. Ferrer, sir. Balse, Tikar. Oh, but this one's out yata. It is. And now today hits the technical timeout barrier ahead of Arellano. Arellano was off to a good start, but has now lost some steam. It's 16-12, Lady Eagles.